we are going to learn about the esterification and how the stars can be named. Esterification is the chemical process where stars are formed. Now, I would like to give you some examples of the stars that we use in our daily life. These are cosmetics, perfumes, in soap industry, and so on. So these are the examples of stars that we use in our everyday life. Stars are formed from the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol in the presence of strong acid, which will act as catalyst. So we can write the reaction as when carboxylic acid is reacting with alcohol in the presence of strong acid, it will form or give a star as our product. Now I would like to mention one thing, that the starification is a kind of condensation reaction. So as we know that the condensation reaction gives water molecule as byproduct, we also get a water molecule in this reaction. So we can write water as our product. So this is the general formula of esterification reaction. Now let's move to an example of esterification reaction. Here we can see an ethanoic acid is reacting with an ethanol molecule, which will form an ester and water molecule. So now I will show you how the water molecule is formed. First, before forming an water molecule, the hydroxyl group of an acid and hydrogen atom of an ethanol will be removed as a whole, forming an water molecule in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid as catalyst. So we can write the water molecule as hydrogen, oxygen, that is hydroxyl group of acid and hydrogen atom of ethanol forming an water molecule. Now, if we join the remaining portion of both of these molecules, we will get the star molecule. So how can we write the star molecule? Let's see. The H3C, that is methyl, C double bond O. This carbon will be connected to the oxygen atom of ethanol. So we can write oxygen CH2 CH3. So this is the star molecule. Now we will see how we can name an star molecule. So before naming a star molecule, I would request you to see the alkyl group that is connected with the carbon double bonded to an oxygen, and another alkyl group that has been connected with the oxygen atom of the star molecule. The oxygen atom that is single. Okay. So as you can see here, the alkyl group that is connected with the single oxygen has come from the alcohol. So we can write the as usual naming of this alkyl group of ethanol as ethyl. As we can see, there are two carbon, so we can write ethyl. Okay, now let's move to another alkyl group. As you can see, the alkyl group that is connected with the carbon double bonded to an oxygen has come from an acid. So this is the parent acid. So we will use the name of this acid to name an ester. So what we can do is we will replace the last three words OE with a word wet, OATE. So we will write ethanoate instead of ethanol. So this is the naming of the star. So as you can see here, the ethyl is the first part of the star, and ethanoate is the second part of the name of a star. So as you can see, this second portion of alkyl group that is connected to oxygen is used to name the first part of a star, and the alkyl group that is connected with the carbon double bonded to an oxygen is used to name the second part of an ester. So that's why we can say first part tells us that ethanol is used to prepare the star, and second part tells us that the acid is used to prepare an ester. I hope I made myself clear enough. Thank you so much.